Right, I'm recording now.
Safety first, safety always.
Do you want me to do it long?
No, nobody likes it long.
Okay. I'm scared. Oh my god.
Told you it was